Hi guys, welcome to ITR Expert again. Today, in this video of the ITRS Excel course, we will look at the ribbon menu more closely. We already had an overview, but let's keep diving.
The purpose of the ribbon is to group together all the tools for a topic. Clicking on the tabs at the top of the screen displays the tools for that topic. Here we have clicked the Page Layout tab. As we can see, the tools are arranged into different groups: Themes, Page Setup, Scale to Fit, Sheet Options, and Arrange. Let's examine the ribbon more closely. Moving the mouse over each tool on the ribbon will display a detailed description to explain its use, and most of the tools will display a pictorial menu when clicked. In this example, we have first positioned the mouse over the Margins option. As we can see, a very informative tip appears telling us what the tool is designed to do. If we now click on the tool, we see a gallery of possible margin settings with additional options available towards the bottom of the screen. Many of the control groups, groupings of buttons and options, in each ribbon have a small icon to the bottom right. This displays the corresponding full dialog screen. This screen gives access to the full set of options, including those less used tools that are not included as ribbon tools.
That's great, isn't it?
So let's take a closer look at the individual ribbon tabs. We will deal with the File tab in its own section shortly. The other ribbon tabs contain the following content: Home, the commands you are likely to use most often, including copying and pasting, formatting, and basic editing. Insert, used for inserting major items in Excel such as tables, illustrations, and charts, rather than inserting cells, rows, and columns, which are dealt with in the Home ribbon. Page Layout, formatting that applies to whole pages, such as themes, margins, and backgrounds. Options to control how the worksheet will appear when printed. Formulas, Excel functions listed by category. Define names, and formula auditing tools together with calculation options. Data, the features you need to import or link to external data, and the commands to work with all data in an Excel workbook, including sorting and filtering. Review, spelling and translation tools, protection tools, and Excel's collaboration features such as sharing workbooks and tracking changes. View, commands for controlling the view of the worksheet, including showing page breaks and grid lines. Windows commands and, rather strangely, macros. Developer, this tab is usually hidden by default and contains the tools for working with Visual Basic Code and form design in Excel. Contextual tabs. As well as the tabs that are displayed permanently, there are many tabs that only appear when you are working with particular features of Excel. These tabs contain the commands necessary for working with that feature. For example, when you select an Excel chart, Excel will include a Chart Tools section in the ribbon containing Design and Format tabs. These tabs appear at the right-hand side of the ribbon. It is possible to hide the ribbon so that the tabs remain visible, but the ribbon bar containing all the tools and commands only appears when you click a tab. Unless you need the extra screen space, it's probably clearer to leave the ribbon always visible. But if you do want to switch between having the ribbon displayed and having it hidden, collapsed, you can double-click on the Active Ribbon tab, or click on the Collapse button at the bottom right-hand corner of the ribbon area. You can also use the Ctrl plus F1 keyboard shortcut to switch between expanded and collapsed.
Amazing work here, Tom. Hopefully we cleared the basics of the ribbon menu.
If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.